How much fun is a Cape parrot? Well, you might not see this Cape's face very much because he just keeps leaning it forward to get pets. Hi, I'm Kaylin, the author of The Parrot Bliss Bond. Right now, Mr. Tesla, our Cape parrot, is wanting pets. Oh, there he is. He says, "What's that noise?" It's an airplane. And he is just wanting pets. We've also got Adonis there. She's hanging out, learning to socialize a little more, enjoying the morning, and also wondering about that big noise. It's a big bird. It's a big bird. So, what a wonderful way to start the day, right? Connecting, loving, petting a very soft parrot. Cape parrots have very soft feathers. I think that's true of a lot of parrots, but it's definitely true of capes. Now, do you see that orange on his forehead? He'll be losing that more and more because he's no longer a babe. How cute. So there's a minute of Cape Bliss.